Hi guys, welcome to a video about ATT. Yesterday I revived the Arc themes. Horst 3180 I think was developing its folders and its Arc theme, and it's just beautiful. Then he stopped and somebody else took over, and it was left a little bit alone as well. And I thought, I want to keep these beautiful Arc themes working, right? So with Claude, we have now Kiro Arc themes, right? This is not the Arc theme, by the way, it's just a different one. But you saw already what it was, the yellow color, right? So if we get the ATT, but make sure you update first. So a U is going to update everything. And the ArchLinux Tweak Tool GTK4 comes in. Then you can launch it from the terminal or from a menu. So the green, the yellow border, right, is a theme that we choose in Oh My Chat WM, but you can match it, right? Once you go figuring out your wallpaper and then maybe the color at the top, etc., right? Theming and rising is so much fun inside Linux. And here is our new creation. So the complete restyling of the page, one, but the backend, all the themes have been created. Was it 56, 57 Arc themes, and have been put together inside families, right? Blues are here, the indigos are here, the purples, the greens, the reds, the orange, the pinks, and the grays. And the Arc theme is this is the folder from Horst, right? Still applicable in Linux Mint. They are with different colors there as well. So it really is. How do you say that? Time insensitive is not a word, but I mean, right? It resists the tooth of time is what we call it in Dutch, but it's probably not an English expression at all. And here we have buttons. I say, okay, this is everything that's dark, you see. So some families to click. This is all. I've installed everything, of course. So the dark, the none. Then show the installed themes. I have everything, right? All things are now active. The indigos will be installed here. So a little way of saying I'm the guy who installs all the dark ones. Voila, well, you got all the dark ones. You need to press the button, install the selected themes, or uninstall the selected themes. So it's a quick way to get in and out. Furthermore, at the top, we have changed some buttons. Enable or disable the system-wide dark theme. Remember the video I've made about the fact that we have a beautiful system out of the box. It's because we put this, right, in this file. We tell them, look, that's your platform for Qt apps. That's the style override for Qt apps. And here we have set in line number 3, don't use the Arc Dawn Dark, which means if you say don't use the line, it means actually that if we go over some lines here, you see the color changes, right? So all these guys have now, there's also a nice one maybe to keep, right? Apply. So the Dawn is something similar as this. This is the Dracul kind of purplish glow in there. And voila. So that's what we've done. This is for plasma stuff, and this is overriding the etc environment thing. So by default, we take Arc Dawn Dark somewhere down the list, this one. But if you say, I'm going to go for, what was it that I just selected? I don't know what it was, but just apply. And then voila, you get this GTK theme Arc Darkish Darker. That's going to go in there. And that's now consuming everything, right? Covering your whole ecosystem, everything needs to follow that particular theme now. You've decided that right now. So that's the change. Hope you like it. You'll see that because of ideas and that, you'll see more themes maybe coming up, more colorings, but everything is ready, right? We have our families in here, and we can always create more themes. So it's a script that we revived, that I made years ago, but yeah, things change. But with my friend Claude, it was easily fixed. The code and the what is it, Mason code, right? Everything is now working, up and running again, and you enjoy the coloring, right? The Cairo Casablanca, for example, goes well with the Alex appearance theme. The icon theme that we have here is the Surf and Casablanca here as well, right? This yellow folders go well with all those orange things. So the rising is the fun, and we have so many colors already. And if you really look hard, you'll find that I have scripts to change these surf and orange into surf and red or anything like it, right? The arc blood to match icons with themes. It's all there, right? That's the fun in Linux. It's SVG, which means it's a file, which means you change the red into orange, orange into green, etc., right? There are 60 million colors to pick from, so have fun with that as well. Cheers.